Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Lexus IS300h and I'm just going to show you the location of the pollen filter. I don't have a pollen filter with me today, but I'm just going to check how is it doing and if it needs replacement, and so then I can order one. So in this particular car, and before I continue, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if the video helps you. So this pollen filter, passenger side, glove box compartment. If we open the glove box here, oops, then inside of here we have this that just pops out, and inside of there is another cover. If you take that cover out, it's got two clips. In there is that other cover there, and it's got two clips on the sides as well. Just press the clip there and the other one, and you should be able to pull this out. And that's where the pollen filter is. And note here the arrow with the up. So when you fit your new filter, it's going to come with an arrow as well, pointing up, so you should fit it that way. This one is not too dirty, but you can see the arrow there, if I can show you. And the part number for this one, it's 87139YZZ53, and this is actually a genuine part, Toyota part, so it's not looking terribly bad, but I think it could do with a replacement. And then you just go ahead and refit it, but you can't really fit this way around because it's got these rails down here which go into those lines down there, those rails. Push it in, clip it in, cover back on, and we have this one on as well. And that's it, pretty much done. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.